In the competitive insurance industry, preparing for an interview is crucial to securing a job. This video presents the top 25 interview questions you might encounter, along with effective answers to help you stand out. 1. What do you understand by the term insurance? Insurance is a financial arrangement that provides protection against potential future losses or risks. It involves a contract, known as a policy, between an individual or entity and an insurance company. The insured pays a premium in exchange for coverage, which can help alleviate the financial burden when unexpected events occur, such as accidents, illness, or property damage. The principle of risk pooling is central to insurance. Many individuals contribute to a collective fund, which is then used to compensate those who experience losses, ensuring that financial stability is maintained across the group. 2. Can you explain the difference between life insurance and general insurance? Life insurance provides financial protection for dependents in the event of the policyholder's death, ensuring that beneficiaries receive a sum of money. It covers risks associated with mortality and can include various types such as term life, whole life, and universal life. General insurance, on the other hand, encompasses a wide range of policies that protect against non-life risks like property damage, liability, and health-related expenses. Examples include auto insurance, home insurance, and travel insurance. The key distinction lies in life insurance focusing on life-related risks while general insurance deals with material and liability risks. 3. How does an insurance company make money? Insurance companies generate revenue primarily through the collection of premiums paid by policyholders. These premiums are pooled together, creating a significant fund that the company can invest in various financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. The returns from these investments contribute to the company's profits. Additionally, insurance companies aim to minimize claims payouts by using risk assessments and underwriting processes to determine which risks to accept. Effective management of claims and expenses further enhances profitability, ensuring that the company remains financially stable while serving its clients. 4. What is the role of an actuary in the insurance industry? An actuary is a vital professional in the insurance industry, responsible for assessing financial risks using mathematics, statistics, and financial theory. They analyze data to determine the likelihood of events such as accidents, illnesses, or natural disasters, which helps insurance companies set premiums and reserves. Actuaries also develop models to forecast future claims and advise on policy design and pricing strategies. Their expertise ensures that insurance products are financially sound and sustainable, enabling companies to meet their obligations while remaining competitive in the marketplace. 5. Can you describe the concept of reinsurance? Reinsurance is a practice where insurance companies transfer a portion of their risk to other insurers, known as reinsurers. This process helps primary insurers manage their risk exposure by providing financial protection against large claims or unexpected losses. By ceding risk, insurers can stabilize their financial performance and protect their solvency. Reinsurance can take various forms, such as proportional or non-proportional arrangements. Ultimately, it allows insurers to underwrite more policies and expand their capacity without overexposing themselves to potential losses. 6. What factors are typically considered when calculating an insurance premium? When calculating an insurance premium, several factors are typically taken into account. These include the applicant's age, health status, lifestyle choices, occupation, and any pre-existing conditions. Insurers also consider the type and amount of coverage desired, the deductible selected, and the claims history of both the individual and the insurance market. Geographical location plays a role as well, as certain areas may have higher risks due to crime rates or natural disasters. Lastly, credit scores can influence premiums, as they are seen as indicators of risk management. 7. Can you explain what a deductible is and how it affects an insurance policy? A deductible is the amount a policyholder must pay out of pocket before their insurance coverage kicks in. It is a key component of many insurance policies, including health, auto, and homeowners insurance. Higher deductibles usually lead to lower premium costs, as the insurer's risk is reduced. However, this can result in higher costs for the policyholder in the event of a claim. Understanding the deductible amount is crucial for budgeting and financial planning, as it directly impacts the amount of coverage received during a claim process. 8. What is the difference between an insurance policy's face value and cash value? The face value of an insurance policy refers to the amount the policyholder's beneficiaries will receive upon the insured's death or the policy's maturity. It represents the death benefit or payout amount specified in the policy. In contrast, the cash value is a savings component found in permanent life insurance policies, which accumulates over time. Policyholders can borrow against or withdraw from the cash value while still keeping the policy active. The cash value is typically less than the face value and is influenced by factors such as premiums paid, interest earned, and policy expenses. 9. How would you explain the concept of adverse selection in insurance? Adverse selection occurs when there is an imbalance in information between the insurer and the insured. Typically, individuals with a higher risk of needing insurance are more likely to purchase it, while those with lower risk may opt out. This can lead to a pool of insured individuals that is riskier than anticipated, causing the insurance company to incur higher costs than expected. Insurers mitigate this by implementing measures such as health questionnaires, waiting periods, and varying premiums based on risk factors, aiming to create a more balanced risk pool. 10. What do you understand by the term insurance underwriting? Insurance underwriting refers to the process of evaluating the risk associated with insuring an individual or entity. Underwriters assess information such as the applicant's history, the type of coverage requested, and potential risks involved. This process helps determine the appropriate premium to charge and whether the application should be approved or declined. Underwriters play a crucial role in balancing risk for the insurance company while providing coverage to clients. Their decisions directly impact the insurer's profitability and ability to manage claims effectively. 11. What are some current trends or challenges facing the insurance industry? The insurance industry is currently navigating several significant trends and challenges. One major trend is the increasing use of technology, particularly artificial intelligence and machine learning, to enhance underwriting processes and improve customer service. Additionally, there is a growing focus on sustainability and climate risk, driven by the impact of climate change on insurance claims. Regulatory changes are also a challenge, as companies must adapt to evolving compliance requirements. Lastly, the rise of insurtech companies is reshaping competition, pushing traditional insurers to innovate and improve their offerings to retain customers. 12. How do you think technology is impacting the insurance sector? Technology is transforming the insurance sector in several significant ways. Firstly, data analytics enables companies to better assess risks and set premiums more accurately. Insurers can analyze large amounts of data from various sources, including social media, wearable devices, and IoT sensors, to gain insights into customer behavior and risk profiles. Secondly, automation and artificial intelligence streamline processes such as claims handling, reducing processing times and improving customer experience. Additionally, digital platforms facilitate easier access for customers, allowing them to compare policies, manage their accounts, and file claims online. 13. Can you name some major regulatory bodies that oversee the insurance industry? In the United States, several key regulatory bodies oversee the insurance industry. The National Association of Insurance Commissioners, NAIC, plays a significant role by coordinating regulation among states and developing model laws. Each state has its own insurance department, which regulates insurers operating within its jurisdiction. Additionally, the Federal Insurance Office, FIO, monitors the health of the insurance sector at a national level. In the European Union, insurance regulation is primarily handled by the European Insurance and Occupational Pensions Authority, EIOPA, which ensures compliance with EU laws. 14. What's your understanding of insurtech and its potential impact on traditional insurance? Insurtech refers to the innovative use of technology within the insurance industry, aiming to enhance efficiency, customer experience, and product offerings. It encompasses a range of applications, including artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and blockchain. These advancements enable insurers to streamline processes such as underwriting and claims management, resulting in faster service and reduced costs. Insurtech startups often challenge traditional models by offering personalized, on-demand coverage. This disruption encourages established firms to adapt and innovate, ultimately benefiting consumers through improved services and pricing. 15. How do you stay updated with changes in insurance laws and regulations? Staying updated with changes in insurance laws and regulations requires a proactive approach. I subscribe to industry newsletters and follow reputable insurance associations for real-time updates. Attending workshops, webinars, and conferences also helps me gain insights into emerging trends and regulatory changes. Networking with industry professionals allows me to share knowledge and experiences. Additionally, I regularly review government websites and publications related to insurance regulations to ensure compliance and adapt practices accordingly. Engaging in continuous education through courses also plays a vital role in maintaining my expertise. 16. How would you handle a situation where a client is unhappy with their claim settlement? When faced with an unhappy client regarding their claim settlement, I would first listen carefully to their concerns without interruption. Understanding their perspective is critical. Next, I would empathize with their situation, acknowledging their feelings. After that, I would review the claim details to ensure I have all relevant information. I would explain the rationale behind the settlement decision clearly, addressing any misunderstandings. If possible, I would offer to explore options for reassessing the claim or suggest next steps, ensuring the client feels supported throughout the process. 17. Can you walk me through your process for evaluating an insurance claim? When evaluating an insurance claim, I start by gathering all relevant documentation, including the claim form, incident reports, and any supporting evidence provided by the claimant. Next, I assess the validity of the claim by cross-referencing the details with the policy terms and conditions. I then conduct interviews, if necessary, to clarify any ambiguities. After reviewing the information, I analyze the potential liability and determine the appropriate compensation based on policy coverage. Finally, I document my findings and communicate the decision to the claimant, ensuring transparency throughout the process. 18. How do you prioritize your workload when dealing with multiple claims or policies? When managing multiple claims or policies, I begin by assessing the urgency and complexity of each case. I prioritize high-impact claims that require immediate attention, such as those involving significant financial implications or pressing client needs. I utilize task management tools to keep track of deadlines and responsibilities, ensuring that no claim is overlooked. Regular communication with clients is vital, allowing me to set expectations and provide updates. By maintaining organized records and a clear workflow, I can efficiently address each case while ensuring quality service. 19. What strategies do you use to detect potential insurance fraud? Detecting potential insurance fraud involves a combination of analytical techniques and keen observation. I start by analyzing claim patterns and discrepancies in documentation. Utilizing data analytics tools helps identify unusual trends or red flags. Regular training on common fraud tactics is essential for staying informed. I encourage open communication within the team, fostering an environment where suspicious activities are reported promptly. Building strong relationships with clients also aids in detecting inconsistencies, as genuine clients are more likely to provide accurate information. Maintaining a thorough understanding of policy terms is critical in identifying potential fraud attempts. 20. How do you explain complex insurance terms or policies to clients in a way they can understand? When explaining complex insurance terms or policies to clients, I focus on using clear, simple language and relatable examples. I start by breaking down the terminology into everyday concepts, ensuring that I avoid jargon. Visual aids, such as charts or graphs, can help illustrate key points. I also encourage questions and actively listen to their concerns, providing tailored explanations that address their specific needs. By creating an open dialogue, I ensure clients feel comfortable and informed, empowering them to make educated decisions about their insurance coverage. 21. Tell me about a time when you had to deliver bad news to a client. How did you handle it? Delivering bad news can be challenging. In a previous role, I had to inform a client that their claim had been denied due to policy exclusions. I prepared for the conversation by reviewing the details thoroughly and understanding the reasons behind the decision. When I spoke with the client, I approached the situation with empathy, clearly explaining the rationale while ensuring I was supportive. I offered to answer any questions and provided options for appeal, which helped the client feel heard and valued despite the disappointment. Building rapport in difficult situations fosters trust. 22. Describe a situation where you had to work under pressure to meet a tight deadline. In my previous role as an insurance claims adjuster, I encountered a situation where a significant storm caused widespread damage, leading to an influx of claims. The claims processing team was overwhelmed, and I was tasked with handling a particularly complex case involving multiple properties. The deadline for processing claims was tight due to an impending regulatory review. I coordinated with contractors and clients, prioritized urgent claims, and worked late hours to ensure all necessary documentation was submitted on time. This experience honed my time management skills and ability to work efficiently under pressure, ensuring clients received timely support during a challenging time. 23. Have you ever made a mistake in processing a claim or policy? How did you handle it? Yes, I once mistakenly processed a claim without verifying all necessary documentation. Upon realizing the error, I immediately informed my supervisor and the client. I took responsibility, reassured the client that we would rectify the situation promptly, and gathered the correct documents required for processing. I then expedited the review process to ensure the client received their benefits without unnecessary delay. This experience taught me the importance of thoroughness and communication, which I now prioritize in every claim I handle. 24. Give an example of how you've gone above and beyond for a client in your previous role. In my previous role, a client was facing significant stress due to a delayed claim settlement after an accident. Understanding their situation, I took the initiative to personally reach out to the claims department and expedite the process. I provided the client with regular updates, ensuring they felt supported throughout the ordeal. After the claim was resolved, I followed up to ensure they received the funds and were satisfied with the outcome. This proactive approach not only eased their anxiety but also strengthened our relationship, showcasing my commitment to excellent client service. 25. How do you handle ethical dilemmas that may arise in your work? When faced with ethical dilemmas, my approach begins with thoroughly understanding the situation and identifying the core issues. I consult relevant guidelines and policies to ensure compliance with industry standards. Engaging in open discussions with colleagues can provide diverse perspectives, helping to clarify the best course of action. I prioritize transparency and honesty, considering the implications for all parties involved. Documenting the decision-making process is crucial, as it ensures accountability and provides a reference for future similar situations. Ultimately, acting in the best interest of clients and adhering to ethical principles guides my decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content that will assist you in your professional journey. Thank you for watching.